What happens when witchy mischief meets glowing resin art? Today, I'm bringing these spooky polymer clay witch legs to life inside a bubbling cauldron resin lamp. Previous to this video, I sculpted witch legs out of polymer clay, giving them striped stockings and curled boots for that classic Halloween look. Each one is baked and detailed by hand. Then I created the cauldron base, also from clay, which will hold the resin pour. I'm starting with a 4 by 4 inch square resin mold to build the base. For this layer, I mix UV resin with a rich black pigment powder, stirring until the blend is completely smooth and the powder disappears. Once it's ready, I pour the inky mixture into the mold, creating a dark foundation for the cauldron to rest on, like the shadowy ground beneath a bubbling potion. Next, I take care to pop all bubbles that come to the surface. Then, I start adding the details. I decide the witch's cauldron better be placed first, since it's the most important part in this piece. Then I start placing the pieces of twigs to resemble trees, where I want them. And I replace them, because I'm a perfectionist. Can anyone relate? Now, I'm adding more of the black pigmented resin, so I can place additional features in this Halloween lamp. I created a polymer clay pumpkin that I painted black to add to the eeriness, because it was UV resin that I used for the bottom floor of the lamp, and to add the little details, like the pumpkin, I have to cure it all with a UV resin light. For those tiny hard to reach spots, I use a UV light pen for curing. And I flip the UV light lamp upside down and place the entire mold on top, so that I'm certain to cure the bottom off this entire piece thoroughly. I add more UV resin to areas where I want to place more details, like this little spooky spider. I lightly paint the spider with more UV resin, to prevent bubbles later when pouring. And more curing. Here, I'm adding a little bat. More curing. And of course, it didn't work the first time. Or the second time. But the third time was a charm. Covering again in UV resin to prevent bubbles later. It's important to always brush a layer of resin on anything you're placing inside your piece. More curing. It's a tedious cycle. Here's what our little spooky witch cauldron lamp is looking like. I added a witch's broom as well for more fun detail. She's ready for the deep pour. Make sure to hit subscribe to see part 2. And if you enjoyed this video, click the like button and share it with your friends.